All right, guys. My husband and I decided to give you a little treat. In the first video with the Cook With Me, I talked about choosing a turkey and was trying to explain to you how we dress the turkey afterwards. So now we're going to show you really quickly. All right, there is the stuffing to the left, honey. We use stovetop, and what did you dress it up with?
Sage, garlic romano, black pepper, Italian seasonings, and I mixed it all up with a chicken broth.
Right, and the onion soup mix?
And the onion soup mix, yes.
All right, go ahead, honey. Show them how you stuff it.
All right, first of all, you want to tuck the wings back. That holds the neck cavity closed, where you're not pushing it in this way and it's coming out there.
Okay.
Instructions say lightly stuff. This hungry man style.
All right.
Pack it in there. Whatever's left over, you want to put it in like a glass dish. And when the bird is done, you put that in the oven and you just let it kind of bake for a little while, maybe 30 minutes, to where it bakes in a little bit more.
Okay. See how he's stuffing it, guys? He's really packing it in there. Of course, you can stuff your bird any way you want to. Light stuffing, heavy stuffing. It's really up to you. Whatever you prefer.
With all the ingredients that I put in here, put some turkey juice in with it. Yeah, you're going to be happy, happy, happy. That's about as much as I'm going to fill in the bird. So I'll put a little on the outside, because when the bird comes out, that's what gets crispy.
Oh, guys, you heard that? All right, hold on. Let's let them see. Ooh, that is good. Now, hold on a second, guys. I'm going to show you the part that I was talking about with the bacon.
Well, hang on.
Wait, there's one more step?
You have to tuck the legs to hold the cavity, or else it just falls apart.
All right, go for it.
So there's skin they leave. Some of them have little plastic things.
Yeah.
But this being a butterball, they use the skin to hold the legs in.
Okay.
So that would kind of hold the stuffing in place.
All right, now, is it ready for my part?
Yes, as soon as I put the bird in the roasting pan, I hear your cat.
Oh, yeah, that's Mama.
Oh, Mama's crying?
No,
like that?
wait a minute. I'll see.
No, that's Cloudy. Here's her voice.
Oh, okay. All right, hold on, guys. Okay, guys. Now, this bacon is from Gordon's. And I'm going to wrap the turkey in bacon and show you what I was talking about in the original video. This is a bonus video, guys. And this is the thick bacon, thick sliced. And when you put this bacon on here like this, you do not have to worry about putting any oil on the bacon. I mean, on the turkey. You can use thick or thin sliced bacon. Let me show you how thick it is. Look at that thickness, guys. So we're just going to wrap the turkey. Just like this. Now the only thing you have to do is to put it in the oven and let it slow bake. And once the bacon gets 100% crispy, the turkey should be done. Now my husband is using a meat thermometer, and the meat thermometer is supposed to be at what, 170?
170.
It's supposed to be at 170. But if you don't have a meat thermometer, you can definitely let the bacon become 100% totally crispy. Because as you guys know, if you've ever cooked bacon in the oven, it takes a long time. And the more bacon you have and the thicker it is, it takes a long time. And the bacon, the bacon grease is going to soak into the turkey skin, and it's going to season the turkey. All right, guys.
We'll be baking this turkey at 325 for 4.5 hours.
Okay, we're baking it. My husband says we're baking it at 325 for 4.5 hours. You guys can also follow the instructions on the package as far as baking time. Don't let the bacon that you put on the turkey deter you from following the instructions. For a long time, I made turkey in the oven, and I didn't have a thermometer, and that's what I gauge it by. So whatever you think is best for you, and depending on the strength of your oven, follow the instructions. This is how I wrap the turkey. And okay, guys, it's going in. All right, bye for now.